Greetings children, this is your PE teacher Mrs. Regina. I will be taking theory. So previous classes you have learnt about the importance of physical education and also the significance of physical education. Today I need to add up a few points, that is the pandemic season COVID-19. We are almost staying at home. In this situation, students, you need to do regular exercises to avoid stress and imbalance of your health. Sports and games boost up your energy and skill. Now let's start with the first chapter, Modern Olympics and Asian Games. The important points to know in this lesson are the origin of modern Olympics and its objectives, the Olympic flag, the Olympic torch, and Asian Games. The Olympic Games are the competitions where the world's best sportsmen are crowned. The Olympics was first started in Greece in 1776 BC. Baron Prairie de Coubertin was the founder of the International Olympics. He was inspired to found the International Olympic Committee and he presented the idea of conducting the Olympic Games. The main theme of organizing this, children, is that the important thing in life is not to triumph but to compete. Triumph means to get victory, but compete means to show your skill with the others. So when you compete, you will know the ability of yourself. The first Olympic Congress of the newly created International Olympic Committee in 1894 was organized at the University of Paris. The headquarters of the International Olympic Committee is in Switzerland. The International Olympic Committee (IOC) was formed and the first games was planned for 1896 in Athens, the capital of Greece. In Athens, 280 participants from 13 nations competed in 43 events covering track and field swimming, gymnastics, cycling, wrestling, weightlifting, fencing, shooting and tennis, etc. P. Henry Dutton coined the Olympic motto, that is Situs Altus Tortus. So this is a Latin expression meaning faster, higher and stronger. Now we'll learn the next thing, that is about the Olympic flag. The Olympic flag was created under the guidance of Baron Coubertin in 1913 and was released in 1914. But it was first hoisted in 1920 in Belgium at the Antwerp Olympic Games in the main stadium. The Olympic Games flag consists of 5 interlinked rings of 5 different colors on a white background. The 5 colors are blue, black, red, yellow and green. So there are different qualities of a sportsman. So these 5 colors interlink some quality, that is self-awareness, bravery, kindness, innovation and inspiration. With all these qualities, a sportsman competed with the others. Now we learn about the Olympic torch. The tradition of lighting Olympic torch was initiated during the Berlin Olympics, Germany in 1936 to bring about international integration. The torch was lit at Olympia of Greece using sun's ray and is then relayed on foot in aeroplane or ship when necessary. The flame in the main stadium of the games is lit with the help of the torch to mark the beginning of the games. The flame in the stadium burns during the games. Mr. Gurudutt Sandhi, who represented the Indian Olympic Council at the London Olympics on August 14, 1948, discussed with all the representatives of the Asian countries the possibilities of conducting the Asian Games, which would also help to foster mutual understanding and cooperation among them. The Asian Athletic Federation gave the acceptance to this suggestion. The first Asian Games was held at the Indian capital New Delhi in 1951. These games were conducted successfully, and from there on, the Asian Games are being conducted once every 4 years in various countries. There are two more important information to be added, children. The Olympics is organized as Summer Olympics and Winter Olympics. Now there is another thing, that is the Paralympic. Paralympic is organized for the disabled people. This game is conducted soon after the Summer Olympic Games in the same venue. Look at this picture, children. It is Summer Olympic logos of 1980 to 2020. I hope you could grasp some important information from this explanation. Watch this video and also write the given notes in a 100 pages notebook. Thank you.